welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video with my niece. Da, 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 da. We are going to be doing this unboxing of this stationery advent calendar. I got this from Home Bargains, I think. And if you want to know how I got this makeup look, she did it, and that video will be up in a week or so. It will be up throughout Vlogmas, so Merry Vlogmas. This should hopefully be day one of Vlogmas, so we'll see. So I think we should get straight into this because I'm quite excited to see what's in here. I'm going to let you do the opening because I'm just kind of like that. So where's number one?
Over here.
Hopefully she's opened an advent calendar before.
I have opened an advent calendar before. And I struggled.
Oh, what is it?
It's like a rubber.
It's a little gingerbread man eraser, and it's one of them ones that goes on top of your. Oh, I'm actually really liking this camera, you know. It's one that goes on top of your pencil. Oh, I actually want to keep these. But I'm not. They're for my kids, but I kind of want to keep them. Oh, I shouldn't have said that actually because. No, it's fine. So that's what we got in day one, and that is super, super cute. So what's day two?
This is big.
In fact, I'm going to put these in here, so let me not lose them. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
What is?
Ooh.
It's a pencil.
It's a pencil. And then we were like, it's just a little bitty pencil.
Mood has been crushed.
Okay, day number three. Day number three. Oh, you've already done it. Oh, that's cute. It's a little. It's a
rubber.
It's a reindeer's face, I think.
Yeah, it's Rudolph's face.
It's Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Ah, okay, so day number four.
Oh, this is circular.
No, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, day number four. Day number four.
Is
I can count.
Oh my god.
Try and see in the shot, Melissa. What have we got? What have we got? What have we got? Ah, it's a pencil sharpener. It's a pencil. This is not going to be a 10-minute video, like, at all. But, oh, it's a bit cute. Day, what number are we on now? Day number 5. We should do it in Spanish.
Another pencil.
Oh.
So disappointed. Santa, please stop.
The pencils are a little bit boring, I'm not going to lie. But
it's basically just saying, Santa, please stop.
So, day number 6. Day number 6. We're not really opening this very well on camera, are we? Can we get... Oh, don't rip it.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
We have another sharpener.
Oh, another sharpener.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Let's have a look. This one is a reindeer on a sleigh.
Oh.
So pretty. I like the rubbers best. The rubbers are my favourite. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7.
Bum for your pencil.
Oh, it's another pencil one, and it's another Rudolph.
Rudolph is like everywhere now.
Isn't he so cute? Little Rudolph, and he goes on your pencil.
8.
Day number 8.
Sounded like Lincoln Lounge.
Oh, this one's cute.
I want this one. Can I keep this one?
No.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, that's so cute. It's because I need to keep them all because I'm giving them as presents to my kids. You can have the pencils if you want.
No.
And number 9. We got one. Guess what we've got in number 9?
Another pencil, y'all.
Another pencil. This one's actually better than the other two, though.
We're about as exciting.
If you can get it out.
We're about as exciting as a Morgs video.
This one's actually like a bit more exciting than the other one. I mean, I just no.
Can I shout out?
I just don't feel that I'm going to use these pencils or that anyone... I mean, I suppose, like, little kids might like it. I don't know. It's just, like, a little filler, isn't it? Like, you always have to have fillers in these advent calendars.
10.
Number 10.
10.
Where is number 10? Where is number 10?
Next to Santa. Oh my god, Santa gets killed in number 20.
Oh, that one's cute. I like that one. That's a little snowman. And is that one to go on your rubber? Yes, your rubber. On your pencil.
For your pencil.
That's the one for your pencil. We like it. It's cute.
11.
Number 11. Oh, we've still got more pencils. I can see the shape of the pencils now. I know what they are.
Maybe you can get like small rulers. Oh my god, I just ripped it.
Oh my god, we can put them. We can look. That one's a big one. Oh, this one isn't for your pencil.
That's what she said.
That is so cute. Melissa! Did anybody hear what she just said? I'm telling your mother. I'm telling Nana what you said. She's going red.
Yeah, I actually am.
She's going red.
It's 12, isn't it?
Isn't that the same as the one we've already got?
If that's the same, then that's a lot.
Oh no, it's like got the same background, but it's not the same.
Penguin this time.
Ah, little cute penguin, little sharpener.
13.
Number 13.
I feel bad because Santa gets killed on number 20.
Wait. Oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. I don't know why that's in my head. Oh, because you said stop. About the Santa. Stop! Even though...
Santa, please stop.
Wait. Oh, never mind. Anyway, I'm crazy. So this one is another little one that's not for your pencil. And it's a little gingerbread man. He's cute as well. I do really like the rubbers. I think they're my favourite things. What number are we on now?
14.
Number 14. I feel like it's bingo. 1 and 4. Ooh. 14.
Ooh, lovely.
Oh, another pencil. Another pencil. This one's a little bit different though, which is good. Let's put an eraser on it. Oh, this one's got snowflakes on it.
Get one that's
actually
like...
quite... One that matches.
Yeah.
No, there aren't none.
Penguin?
That one's not a thing.
Oh, that's not like a...
It's not a thing. It's okay, there's a contrast, it's fine. We are now on number 15. We're getting there now, guys. We're getting towards... What? Oh!
No, it's not one for your pencil. You can't bring it to
Oh, it's
school.
well cute. That is actually really cute.
I know.
Hello. Hello. You could play with these, like little...
Yeah,
hello,
yeah,
hi.
I used to do that.
And all the kids who play with these things, obviously I look after kids. Hi, how are you? Oh my god, I'm like so fine. They're all American. Has anybody else ever got that? Like, all children who role play are American. The end.
Yeah. Another pencil.
Oh, that one's a boring pencil as well.
It's plain blue.
Like my soul.
Your soul can't be blue.
Why?
Okay. If you're blue, dabba die.
A little boring. Why does she even know that song? I'm blue, dabba dee dabba die. Right, number 17. I'm glad you're counting because I ain't got a clue where we are. Oh, that was quite nice.
I love how you just cough and then you're like, oh, that one's quite nice.
I am sick.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's cute. I like that one. That's probably my favourite sharpener one.
18.
Number 18.
I can't wait to be 18. I can get a car then. One for your pencil. Look at that, me too.
I can't wait to be 18.
It's only
I'm never going to be 18 again.
19.
Which one was it, Melissa? This one?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I showed it.
I hope she showed you it. Okay.
I did show them it. When you look back at this and you went.
Number 19.
A boring pencil.
Oh! Is this the last pencil now, Laura? Yes, it is, isn't it? I think it is. Okay. We've got another pencil. Not that exciting, but whatever.
No, Santa's died!
Number 20, number 20, number 20, number 20, 20.
Santa guys.
20. Ba, ba, da, da, da,
Oh, it was
da,
worth
da,
it.
da. Oh!
Look at that.
Ah, I want to keep these. I don't want to give them away. I want
Keep
to
some then. Keep some then. Did we forget to open number 5?
No, we've done it.
opened
We've done it. We've done it. We've done it. So we need number 21. There it is. I seen it. I seen number 21.
You saw it.
I seen it.
You saw it.
What is it? What?
I don't
Is it? Ah, it's Santa Claus.
Oh, he's been to the beach. He's got a tan.
Some mommy.
He's got a tan.
There.
He's got a tan.
He has got a tan.
Have you been out? Beach?
Yes, lovely. Very cute. Not for your pencil, but just
22.
to rub things out. Number 22. Oh, is it? This is a Santa Claus for your rubber. For your pencil.
He's still as stand as ever.
Good old tanned Santa Claus.
Well, they forgot the glasses.
What are we on? 23?
Yes.
23, we're nearly at the end now. 25 better be good. Is there a 25? There isn't. There's only a 24, isn't there, in this one? So number 24 better be good then.
Ooh.
Oh.
Santa.
No, the Santa Claus. Let me show them properly. She's not very good, is she? There we go. Right. I wasn't expecting that. Might be keeping this one. Oh, look! That has made the whole thing worth it, don't you think? I'm well impressed with that.
Look! I'm gonna go show Nana.
No, wait, we're filming. We need to finish this first.
Wait, Santa, join us.
So this is Santa Claus and he's a little squishy, and I think that's actually really cute that that's in there,
that is.
actually. Oh my god, it goes on your pencil! What the heck? Oh, that is awesome.
Holly's joined.
I'm well impressed with that.
It looks like a little mini. Do you know those cheap ice creams that you get? You know those little cheap ice creams that you get, like Peppa Pig ones, and they don't even look the same as the box. You put it on there, and it just looks
Ice
like
creams that you
little,
eat.
Yes, a little ice cream.
That you eat.
A Santa ice cream. Yes.
I don't know what you're talking about. But anyway, that is it. We better end this video now, I guess, hadn't we?
Yeah.
So, thank you so much for watching. Merry Vlogmas, guys. This hopefully is going up on the 1st of December, the first day of Vlogmas. And have you enjoyed filming with me today, Melissa?
Yeah.
Yay! So, like I said, if you want to see Melissa do my makeup, that will be up later on throughout Vlogmas. I don't know exactly when, but sometime throughout Vlogmas. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button because we are going to be doing lots more videos, hopefully one every day, throughout Vlogmas, throughout December. I love you guys so much. Give me a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Comment what you think of me, because am I awesome? Am I like not awesome?
Bye! Bye!